Severn and Coleman have made their way into the octagon. This one to decide the ultimate warrior on the planet. Coleman now on the mount, had the mount momentarily.
With the fingers on the face.
Shift position.
And that's Coleman shoved him out of one. And Coleman is on fire.
This is the showdown for the UFC Heavyweight Championship.
Those kicks will take their toll.
I don't know if Coleman's got the energy right now to go and shoot again for a single or double leg.
And new Maurice Smith.
It is underway, the heavyweight championship in the UFC.
And he knew he had to be composed here. Don't try to rush anything.
Oh, there's some shots. Yep. And now looking for some elbow strikes is Randy Couture. Working on the head of Maurice Smith.
And this is going to go to the judges. What a great fight. What a great fight.
Randy, the natural Couture.
It is the most prestigious belt in the world of mixed martial arts. One man tonight will take it home. Randleman takes him down hard. Boss has him in his guard. But it's Randleman who probably thought he had Bruton and sees it continuing with Bruton now using the elbow on the back of the head of Kevin Randleman.
The side of the head. He's coming in from the side,
Which is legal. Bruton's picking up some much-needed points here in these last couple of minutes, partner.
and it's because Randleman really has gone solid in his offense.
It's over. 21 minutes. The heavyweight championship goes the distance. There is a lot of feeling of vengeance right here. Randleman takes the center of the ring, shoots immediately. I mean, this man was absolutely beside himself after the decision against Boss Root.
Oh my gosh, what a position.
He comes out there with great strength.
He tried to lift Williams. Williams stopped him, and then Randleman got caught in a back arched position, and I thought Williams was going to land in the mount. Nice trip.
Kevin staying active, a right and a left. That takedown may have wrapped up the heavyweight championship for Kevin Randleman.
Well, if he doesn't get caught like that, and yes, a nice
a
too.
combination.
Now
Perhaps
Williams
the
is
exclamation
chasing.
point. And the bell sounds. Randleman Couture here tonight in the year 2000.
Here we go. You stay right there.
Putting his head down, that's a bad move. And that's
Here's a clinch. This is where Randy wants to be now.
look at that straight knee.
There it is.
There we go.
He's never been in that position.
No, he hasn't.
Couture full mount on Randleman.
I've
Randleman
never
keeping
seen
those
a
big
man.
arms
Randleman
up.
is really
Continuing to
starting to pull
pound
it out.
away. And continuing and continuing.
And that's gonna be-
Randy Couture is the heavyweight champion again.
Not blink.
Heavyweight championship.
Locking it up again, right in front of us. Sink it down for the double.
Keeping it, he's hitting his hips really low into the fence, which is good for him, but puts him in a bad position. He needs to circle away from the fence, though.
Look at that guard work. Look out.
Outstanding. Watch out, Randy spun away quickly. He's got his back, though. Barnett with a kick.
Look out, Barnett starting to peel off.
Back. The crowd feels it.
We'll see who's going to finish here. We got 30 seconds left. He's punching
30
back.
seconds of Randy Couture.
No, ladies and gentlemen, we have a new champion.
The new champion.
I told you guys.
The baby-faced assassin. Rico Rodriguez, undefeated in the octagon against the two-time champion Randy Couture. Wrestling the wrestler. And a good takedown for Rodriguez.
Big barrage of punches and elbows.
Wait. Rico Rodriguez is the new heavyweight champion. Tim Sylvia, Rico Rodriguez.
No, got
Tremendous clash for the interim heavyweight title. Oh, big right hand! Big shot by Orlovsky. Down goes Sylvia. Orlovsky trying to come in strong. Oh, he rocked his way there. Looking for the heel hook. Looking for the finish.
That was extremely intelligent. The knots.
Very Andre Orlovsky has beaten Tim Sylvia. Unbelievable. The former champion. The present-day champion. Against the heavyweight champion.
Randy trying to finish Sylvia. Randy trying to throw down the giant. Couture looking for the upset early.
15 seconds away from 43-year-old Randy Couture regaining the heavyweight championship of the UFC.
Randy the Natural Couture, UFC Hall of Famer, is going to become once again the heavyweight champion of the world.
This place is deafening.
One will leave, the interim heavyweight champion.
Immediately pulls guard. Right now he doesn't have control with Tim. Tim can step out of this, especially when he lifts that left leg up. Pop and out. Now he's got that leg. That second leg is important. That's the sweep. There it is. That's what I'm talking about. Inside control. Immediately. This is huge.
And tons of time remains in the round.
Huge for Nogueira. In this position, he is one of the best in the world. Guillotine, anaconda choke.
Can he finish it? Unbelievable! It's the UFC interim heavyweight champion!
And there is a ton of respect for Brock Lesnar of Randy Couture and vice versa. Brock wants what Randy has, though. That is the heavyweight belt. Heavyweight title on the line.
Randy got hurt.
Couture is down. Lesnar is trying to finish. Brock Lesnar pounding away on Randy Couture. Randy trying to survive. Brock Lesnar is the new UFC heavyweight champion of the world. Brock Lesnar told us he wouldn't hate a rematch with Frank Mir.
I'll tell you what, Frank Mir looks outstanding, and Minotauro is moving straight back. Oh, again!
Caught him again.
That's it!
Nogueira has been finished for the first time ever.
Unbelievable!
Frank Mir will face Brock Lesnar.
Unbelievable!
UFC heavyweight title fight.
Good left hook by Mir, and a nice knee by Mir.
He caught him with the knee.
Oh, he jumped up a flying knee, a la Uriah Faber.
But now Brock's on top again. Up against the
Frank's
fence.
in big trouble.
Brock
That's
Lesnar
it.
trying to finish it.
That's it.
Perkin is there. Brock Lesnar is the undisputed UFC heavyweight champion.
The challenge ahead.
Here we go.
Woo. For Mir is Carwin. For Carwin, it's Mir. There's a nice combination by Frank.
And now Mir has him pressed up against, but Carwin quickly turns it around. There's a left by Carwin, a couple of big uppercuts. Frank Mir's in trouble.
Frank Mir's in big trouble. Carwin looking for the finish.
That's it.
Carwin teeing off. Trying to finish Frank
That's
Mir.
it. It's over. I think he's out, Mike. He's out.
Shane Carwin has defeated Frank Mir.
Wow.
Heavyweight title is on the line. Carwin looking to explode again.
There's the big shot.
There it is.
He's got him on his back.
This is bad for Shane Carwin. He's got the mount.
He's got an arm triangle.
Trying to finish this fight with one of the strongest men in the mixed martial arts world.
Wow.
Lesnar is the undisputed heavyweight champion of the world.
Wow.
There's a buzz here at Honda Center. Velasquez, Lesnar, spinning out of control. Cain Velasquez eats an uppercut. Oh, huge knee! He's huge knee to the body. Lesnar's in big trouble. Cain Velasquez looking to finish Brock Lesnar. 50 seconds.
That's it.
Cain Velasquez is the UFC heavyweight champion.
Complete, total domination.
Cain Velasquez, Junior Dos Santos for the heavyweight championship. He's hurt. Big right hand by Junior Dos Santos.
He's hurt. He's
trying to finish this fight. Junior Dos Santos is the new UFC heavyweight champion of the world.
Unbelievable.
Act 2, Cain Velasquez, Junior Dos Santos. So a very encouraging start here for the challenger, Cain Velasquez.
This was the Cain Velasquez we all expected in the first fight, and Junior is wearing down. He's wearing down already, and it's the first round. Big right hand by Velasquez. Dos Santos has got to get back to his feet, John. And he's got to defend himself. This truly is a prolonged beating by the former champion.
And we throw around the term heart of a champion in pro sports. Junior Dos Santos is that defined, but this night belongs to the former champion, Cain Velasquez.
The winner becomes the 5th interim UFC heavyweight champion. Nice knee. He got him. Verdum trying to finish. Fabricio Verdum is the new interim UFC heavyweight champion of the world.
Velasquez versus Verdum is the 3rd title unification bout in UFC history. We've never seen Cain look like this.
Guillotine, guillotine.
Look at him lock it in. Can he get it?
He's stopped it.
Fabricio Verdum is the undisputed UFC heavyweight champion. Wow.
Verdum, Miocic for the heavyweight belt. Fabricio aggressively attacking.
Oh, that's it. Stipe Miocic is the new UFC heavyweight champion.
Yes, I'm talking about. I'm a world champ.
Never before has a UFC light heavyweight champion moved up to challenge the active heavyweight champion. That is our reality here and now.
And then he clinches. Exactly what you gotta do.
Oh, he hurt him. He got it done. Daniel Cormier is the UFC heavyweight champion.
Oh man, that is history, ladies and gentlemen. You'll never see it again.
With that, the rematch is upon us.
Oh, again.
Oh, big shot.
A good right hand.
DC knows he's
Oh! Those are...
now right hand up top.
Oh, no.
Cormier in trouble. Oh, DC in a world of trouble. He is down.
Oh, that's it.
Stipe exacts his revenge.
Wow.
Miocic is getting the belt back.
Wow.
Stipe Miocic waited more than a year, and once again the heavyweight division belongs to him.